is the Elevation Success Planner, and I'm going to go through and show you what's inside so you'll know if it's for you. In this planner, you're going to have a letter from Ray Von Shea. And here you're going to have your 90-day lifestyle. This is where you put your vision board. You cut your pictures out, whether out of a magazine, whether off of Google, you print them out and cut them, and you paste them right here. Let me show you what it'll look like when you do it. This is what mine looks like. This says FICO score 750 to 850. Affiliates around the globe, making money, and elevate. So you just cut out the pictures that represent what you want. You can have your travel, you can have your car, your whatever it is that you want to strive for. Just put it in your vision board. Some things actually take a little longer than others, but have something here that you can look at and strive for. This is a 90-day success planner. So it has a place for you to do your weekly calendar and write out what you're going to do for the week. You can write out your schedule, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You can write down if you're going to post YouTube videos, if you're going to post Instagram posts, or whatever you want. You can write it here to hold yourself accountable of what you desire to do for these times. These are your quotes to remember. Guess what? There are sometimes people will say things that really resonate with you, and you can write it in your quotes to remember page. Like here it says, "My success is up to me." This is a quote to remember. This is what you are grateful. These are just pages. You can put pictures here, or you can write here. You can do whatever you want to on these pages. Here is a questionnaire inside. It asks you a few questions so you can lay out your foundation of where you're trying to go in the next 90 days. What are you trying to accomplish? What is your goals? This is what it's asking you. Also in your planner, you have a place for you to take notes. If you want to be able to take notes, and you need a place to jot down some websites or something that you've learned, it's good to have it all in your planner here. Also in here, action steps. Daily IPA is income producing activities. In here, you will put encourage yourself. You will put your affirmation for the day right here. And then it says to do. What are you going to do today? Action steps. Here is for your collabs. If you have collabs, who are you contacted? What platform you contacted on? Your product and the price of the product. So you can know how much you're getting paid for your collabs. This is good for 5 collabs a day. You can have more than 5, but aim for 5 collabs a day. You'll be able to look back into your planner and see where you started from and what you've accomplished during those 90 days. This is a 90-day planner. At the bottom here, it has a place for investments and the platform you invested on. Everybody's not doing everything for free. Some people are actually investing in their business. If I invested $10, did I make back 20? Did I make back 10? Did I make back 0? I want to know these things, so I write them down. How can you keep track of anything if you're not writing anything down? At the bottom, how my day went. All you have to do is write down how your day went and get ready for the next day. As long as you have breath in your body, you can strive for being better the next day. Since this is a 90-day planner, after every 10 days, it gives you a little test. It asks you how you're feeling about the last 10 days and what you accomplished, and it just motivates you to keep going. So this is what's all inside the Elevation Success Planner. You can find it on Amazon, Elevation Success Planner. If it's not purple, it's not mine. This is mine. You can find it on Amazon, and I will link it in the description if this is something you think you need. The reason why I go with purple is because it stands for royalty. The reason why butterflies are inside is because butterflies represent change and transformation. So this is why I love going with the butterfly, because of where I am now. Because everything I use at this point and everything I create, it has to mean something. I don't just randomly create things. I create things with purpose and intent. So this represents change and transformation. As you change and transform your life, you're going to be focused on the things that actually change and transform your life. You're going to find yourself speaking out loud more things that are positive to help you transform and change your life. You're going to say, I have more than enough. I am more than a conqueror. You're going to be speaking things into your life that's going to help you move the needle forward. I am a leader. I am more than a conqueror. I am the head, not the tail. You're going to be speaking those things, and then it's a good thing to just write them down. Start moving with purpose, speaking with purpose, being intentional about the things you do and how you do it. Everything must have a purpose in this season for you to get to the level that you're trying to get to. So guys, remember to stay focused on your elevation journey. Click any links in the description and find out what resonates with you and get on board. Join Ray Nation. And let's do this thing. Let's do this thing. Hey, let's do this thing.